Good morning. Sabihin mo ito yung house namin sa labas. House for Jemima. Wow.
Come inside, Kisha.
Wow. What a beautiful playground at the back of our house. Wow. Nice view. Hi, Kisiya. Hi, Ma. Hi, Ma.
Hi.
Tell your subscribers what's your plan today.
Hello, subscribers. Today, I'm making a small little playground.
Wow, and what
For
else?
Kisha and me.
No, Kisha, do go there. Okay. Kisha,
Kisha, let's go out.
let's play with Ate.
Let's go play with me.
Yes. Today, Saturday. Saturday morning.
Saturday morning.
So, after 1 hour, we're going to inside because it's getting hot.
You're wearing daddy's slippers.
Wow, Kissy, what happened to you? Huh?
You're wearing daddy's slippers.
Kissy is busy to play with this empty bucket. Okay, sorry, it's okay. Stand up.
Stand up, Kisha.
Okay. Okay, play na my mother.
Okay, ayos ko pa ang house.
Okay.
Kisha,
There's ampalaya.
ang palaya.
There's a guava, and there's a lemon or calamansi in Tagalog, and there is a papaya and malunggay. Okay, Jemima, say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for my channel. Kisha,
Kisha, bye. Bye. Okay, thank you.
bye.